who explored everything from complex geometry to the nature of infinity. Pascal's genius spanned three distinct realms: mathematics, physics, and theology. His work fundamentally changed how we understand numbers, the physical world, and faith. Interestingly, Pascal was forbidden from studying mathematics as a child. Despite this, his natural curiosity led him to independently deduce geometric principles by drawing in the dirt. By age 16, he published a major treatise on conic sections. His theorem regarding inscribed hexagons was so advanced that even René Descartes found it hard to believe a teenager had written it. Driven by a desire to help his father with his tax administration duties, Pascal designed one of the world's first mechanical calculators, showcasing his innovative approach to problem solving. Pascal challenged the long-held belief that nature abhorred a vacuum. He replaced metaphysical guesswork with rigorous empirical observation and physical measurement. In a famous experiment at Puy de Dôme, Pascal proved that atmospheric pressure decreases with altitude, confirming that the air itself has weight. His work with vacuum chambers and fluid dynamics laid the groundwork for modern hydrostatics. Today, the unit of pressure is named the Pascal in his honor. Pascal also pioneered probability theory. When a gambler asked him about dividing winnings fairly, Pascal and Pierre de Fermat created a mathematical framework for managing uncertainty. Through his work on the arithmetic triangle, Pascal provided an efficient way to calculate probability distributions, moving mathematics beyond static geometry. In 1654, a profound mystical experience shifted Pascal's focus. He recorded his vision, committed himself to faith, and eventually stepped away from his mathematical pursuits. He later wrote the Provincial Letters to defend his faith and attack the morality of the Jesuits, cementing his place in the history of French literature. Pascal also applied logic to religion with his famous, quote, wager. He argued that, from a decision theory perspective, believing in God is the most rational choice. Pascal famously theorized about a, quote, God-shaped vacuum in the human soul, suggesting that our deepest longings can only be filled by the divine. Blaise Pascal died at age 39, leaving behind a legacy that continues to influence modern science, mathematics, and philosophy today.